to make the yummiest and fluffiest pancake you ever had. Well, welcome to another video. Let me show you how to make this. So we're using some self-rising flours, milk, baking powder, sugar, and very important is the vanilla flavor. Please ensure to use the vanilla flavor to give you that sweet yummy taste of pancake. Some people can also add, like I do sometimes, I add nutmeg, I add cinnamon, but in this video I'm not using any of those. These are just the things I'm using: flour, baking powder, sugar, vanilla essence, and some milk. You can use liquid milk or use powdered milk. Some people add eggs. I don't really add eggs in mine most of the time. I just make it this way. And it comes out very yummy, fluffy, and most of all, you can enjoy it anywhere you think of your choice, anytime of the day. You can make this for your kids, and I'm sure they will like it. If you haven't subscribed, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow this page, subscribe, turn on notification for more of these videos and content like this. I usually do this by posting videos of food and drinks from DIY contents on this channel. You're welcome once again. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed, thank you. Please do well to drop a comment, like this post, share to your loved ones, let them know how to make some of these amazing recipes I've dropped on this channel, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So this is how I make my batter. I mix it up, ensure it's not too thick and it's not too watery. This is the right consistency. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is the right consistency you need to make a yummy and fluffy pancakes. So this is me just mixing it up. And you see that consistency, that's what you need to have when you're making pancakes. So let's get right into your non-stick pan. Use your oil spray, you can use a brush to put the oil into the pan, or you can use an oil spray just like I'm doing in this video. And then you scoop your batter into the non-stick. Yes, that's it. And just allow it to get cooked properly, and then you flip once you see the bubble. Properly bubbling up is when you ready to flip. So can you see this? The bubbles are not too much, so means your batter is not ready. That's why you get a broken pancake or cracked pancakes when the bubbles are not properly done, and then you flip over. So can you see? When you flip over, this is what it looks like. So if you are doing this, make sure the bubbles are properly enhanced before you flip over. Means the other side is properly cooked, and then if you flip it over, you have a yummy and deliciously looking pancake. So can you see this? Just watch and see how this comes out. This is how to know when to flip over. The bubbles are properly shown, and then you flip over the butter. Can you see what it looks like? So that's how to make your yummy fluffy pancakes. And this is the outcome of our pancakes. See how golden it looks. You can enjoy this with honey, maple syrup. You can have some toppings of fruit. You can enjoy this with some yogurt, Greek yogurt. You can enjoy this with some ice cream for your kids. You see the inside of the pancakes. That's what it looks like. And that's it, guys. If you haven't subscribed